I have the Sony Pulse 3D headset, and I'll be showing you how to connect this headset to your Nintendo Switch so you can use them to listen to all the audio coming from your Nintendo Switch. So this is very simple. Keep in mind that these are not Bluetooth headsets. These are actually wireless headsets, and that's why they come with this wireless transmitter that you normally plug into your PS5 or PS4. Okay, so you need to plug this to your Nintendo Switch to connect this headset. Now, since the Nintendo Switch comes with a Type-C port, then you're gonna need a Type-C to full-size Type-A adapter. And so these ones are available anywhere, and you can use any type of adapter you have. There's no specific adapter you need to use. I have this one I could use as well, but for this tutorial, let's go ahead and use this one. So plug in the adapter to your Nintendo Switch, and then go ahead and plug in the dongle to the Switch via the adapter, like that. And once that is ready, you can see the USB device has been detected. Just go ahead and switch on the headset. Okay, so via this turn on button, just switch them on. It's gonna look for device to pair, and once it's connected, you can see the light is steady, and also the light on the transmitter should be steady as well, and that means that is connected. So from now on, all the audio you're playing, whether it's games you're playing or watching YouTube videos, all the audio will be through the PS5 Pulse 3D headset. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.